This is Wiley from Learn-to-Barbecue. Pellet grills have revolutionized outdoor cooking, offering the convenience of gas with the smoky flavor of charcoal. However, one aspect of pellet grilling often leaves much to be desired: pellet storage. Those flimsy bags that pellets come in are prone to rips and moisture intrusion, leading to wasted fuel and frustrating grilling experiences. Enter the Craftsman 5-gallon tote, an unassuming but incredibly effective solution to your pellet storage woes. Why choose the Craftsman 5-gallon tote? At first glance, it might seem like overkill to dedicate a sturdy plastic tote to storing wood pellets. However, the benefits far outweigh any perceived inconvenience. Here's why the Craftsman 5-gallon tote is a superior choice for pellet storage. Durability. Unlike flimsy bags, the Craftsman tote is built to last. Constructed from heavy-duty plastic, it can withstand bumps, drops, and the general wear and tear of storage. Say goodbye to ripped bags and spilled pellets. Moisture protection. Moisture is the enemy of wood pellets. Damp pellets can jam your grill's auger, leading to inconsistent temperatures and even grill failure. The Craftsman tote's tight sealing lid creates a moisture barrier, keeping your pellets dry and ready to use. Pest prevention. Rodents and insects love to snack on wood pellets. The Craftsman tote's secure lid keeps unwanted pests out, ensuring your fuel supply remains uncontaminated. Easy handling. The tote's integrated handle makes it easy to move and pour pellets, even when full. No more struggling with awkward bags or spilling pellets everywhere. Versatile storage. In addition to pellets, the Craftsman tote can store a variety of grilling accessories, such as tools, gloves, and rubs. All right, pitmasters, ready to upgrade your barbecue game with the Craftsman 5-gallon tote? It's the perfect sidekick for keeping your charcoal organized and your fire going strong. To grab yours, just head over to the Products tab on the left side of this video, or for your convenience, click the link in the description below. Don't miss out. Get your Craftsman tote today and let's get grilling. I hope this video was informative and helped you learn more about the world of barbecue. Be sure to check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I'd also love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Till next time.